been debating for a while on starting a YouTube / video and everything and starting stuff. Here with H Brand Land Management, I think we're going to kind of go ahead and we're going to give our YouTube video a shot. This is going to kind of be our first little video introduction deal. We're out here on a place mulching. It's kind of hard to see through there. Let me back it up a little bit. We're mulching this. While the logs are pushed up along this road, which I'll show y'all in a little bit, but we're actually going to be cutting these logs up, hauling them to the mill. We got the excavator up there. Grandpa's up there on the excavator right now, moving logs, cutting them and everything while I'm doing a little bit of mulching. So I think I'm going to go ahead and give this YouTube video a shot. If it goes well, it goes good. If not, I won't do it no more. But I know people like to see this kind of content. Maybe it'll blow up. Who knows? We'll give her a shot. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get after it, and drop your comments. Everything's below. What y'all like to see more of too after the video and everything's over with. So stay tuned. We're gonna get this job all tidied up, and hope y'all like everything. Coming off the road, we're gonna have Aaron Ferguson, aka Tib, running the old excavator today in Mulcher. Got the old tractor with the skidder on the back there, the grapple. It's been our little landing zone. You see we got it's kind of blurry. Got the loader, got it all loaded up on the old 2-ton, the old 5500. Got the excavator. His dad, which is my uncle, bringing the hoses. We're gonna fix this excavator. So the hoses on the mulcher have busted, so he'll be here any second with some new hoses. So we'll have the excavator loaded up. Me and his dad work together quite a bit. He's to slide over and check out Realtree Forestry Services, logging, everything they do, you name it, they do it. He's got the excavator and the bulldozer, and I got the Skidsteer. So we work together. We've done 3 jobs back to back together. Road job, show some pictures of 2 road jobs. Now we're over here working on this, cleaning some of this up. And so, yeah, I'll be looking forward to a lot more content with the old Roy Dean Ferguson, aka RD. It's going to be a good time in this video, this YouTube channel up and going. So I think I just about got everything over here I want. I'm going to mulch all these little trees, clean this junk up, and just make this homeowner happy. They're out of Houston. A lot of our work from around here comes from people in Houston. You see me there, or Texas, period. They come over here, good old Mena, Arkansas, and they ride all the ATV trails and everything. They're buying land, and so a lot of our work comes from them. A lot of good people, trying to get it out of the craziness going on over there, everything going on. So see some of the mulching we've already done. We're going to be mulching all the way up and through here, all the way up and down these roads, just cleaning up the junk, making it look better. So, yep, y'all stay tuned. We got a lot to check out here on H Brand Land Management. We're going to be posting outdoor content too, as in hunting, everything else once I get going. It's a slow process, but hopefully we can get some good videos going, and hopefully people like it. Got any questions or comments, drop them below. Got everything ready to go. Had to put new hoses on the mulcher there. They're blown. We're gonna get this thing fired up. We're gonna mulch a few little trees. He's gonna go over here by the highway, kinda, and start with that edge. So we're gonna get after it. Maybe I can video some of this. Got the Cat 299 D3. Fairly new here. Almost had it a year. Got 800 hours. got us another elm here. Mulching this sucker up. Got old Aaron over here on the old 310. He's over here by the highway cleaning that mess up. Looking really, really good. That is a machine right there. Hopefully in the future, looking at purchasing a 309 just strictly for mulching and, you know, doing other stuff. But that's my uncle's, like I said, so I'm looking at purchasing a 309 hopefully in the near future. Get that going. This Skidsteer right here has been awesome. Managed to make it a really good living with it. You know, it pays for itself. All the whole 9 yards and everything. You can see the little chunks I've got in the glass right there. That is metal little chunks. I mean, it will stick it in here. I did break this glass one the first time. Well, right after I got it, like the second job I ever did, I broke the glass. It's a long story, but maybe a story for another time for all you guys. So there was a lot of kinks and learning everything and how to do it, but once got everything down, it was pretty easy to learn. You know, once, knock on wood, everything's been decent since then. So hopefully it'll stay that way for a while. You're always going to have issues in the equipment world. I mean, if you think about all the moving things that have to be perfect on this thing in order for it to work. I mean, it just really is fascinating. The engineers behind everything that do everything, and that's why this equipment costs so much money. But I know the video quality probably ain't too great, but I plan on getting a deal so I can set up behind me so y'all can see me watch from behind to see me work and everything. So that is, I did order that. I broke my other one here, so normally keep my phone there, so you know, see if anybody calls, it's just a good spot for it. But it's currently broke, so that way cannot put that there. But I don't know if y'all can see how trashy it is beside the highway, and then you can see where he's cleaning up over here. It really is looking good. So y'all stay tuned, we'll get a lot more going. Waiting on the cars to pass here. Oh, if I can, there we go. He's gonna pull this stuff back his way, use the thumb, pull it out of the highway so he's not slinging it everywhere. Y'all gonna watch him here. Anyways, y'all can kind of see that, trying to get everything I can in there. I might have to, yeah, see, this thing will get stuff caught up in it. You gotta turn it and drive backwards and get it to roll back. See if you can shoot that stuff out of there. Let's see if we got it. Yeah, we got it. Let the pressure and everything build back up, and we'll go in for another grab here. Trying to hold the phone and video at the same time, so it's, or run the machine at the same time, so it's kind of rough here. Let it eat that stuff up. I do have the chute closed right now, the little flat. I like to open it up when I can, but I don't want to shoot it all over the road if I can keep from it. Trying to keep everything as clean as I possibly can. But here in a little bit, I'll show you. When I was cutting that tree a while ago, I had the chute open, so it will shoot it out. But it helps on cutting bigger stuff. When you have it closed, it'll cut finer stuff. Better cut. I mean, it'll do it all, but it's better for the smaller stuff because it cuts it finer, I guess you could say. So, well, he did a good job. He's cleaning that up. Things are handy right there, that's for sure. We're gonna push this big old dead tree over and grind it up. There we go. This is one of the trees we took, loaded up, took to the mill. I'm over here cleaning this up at the moment. Y'all can kind of tell. It'll just eat this stuff up. It won't take it very long either. Back and forth is the name of the game. As you can tell. Got a lot done so far. It's 11:30. We're gonna take a little lunch break. Get back at it here in just a little bit. Clean some of this old stuff off. It's on there. Old trash and stuff. Take a little lunch break and we're gonna get right back at it. Come on. We out here at lunch. What's your input on the day so far? Going good?
Got my duck poppers, so
That's right.
I'm good to go now.
We kill them ducks. Tuna noodle casserole, gingerbread, bar, got an apple, ready to go. Got the mulching all going on. It's been a day so far. What do you think? Got an input?
Pretty good. I think we're gonna make the day's worth of it. Now these cars.
Probably till dark.
Yeah, probably till dark. Probably so. These cars driving by, I guess they don't see us. They just.
No, they don't know we're here.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes one. Intruder. Here they come. They don't even get over into the other lane, stop, slow down, nothing. They just
keep going.
They say, the heck with it.
That's right.
See here, we got all this done and opened up big time. So he's gonna build a fence. This looks the same as that, ties into that. So that's all opened up and done. Back up here. Of course, we got all this behind me. I'll show you in a second. It's hard to see through this screen. He'll bring the excavator over. We'll get more of that if we can. We got all this opened up. The excavator, Skidsteer. Got all this done. Some of the vines are really, really hard to get. It's hard to see, but we got all that done up through there for the most part. Some things I'd like to get, but it's just really hard trying to wheel your way in there. You can see him, he's over here now, moved over here. Starting on this road back and forth. He's getting both sides of it as best he can. I'm gonna be down here below him and we're gonna get after it. So get some more good shots of the mulching. I know he's took some, I've asked him to, so it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna put a good video together. So we're gonna go ahead and get this tree right here if we can. Y'all can see here. Stuff up best we can here. Take this old hickory right here. No, it's yellow wood. What they like to call it. almost done with the mulching part. I better turn the reverse fan on. A little bit of dust back there. Y'all can see him or not. There. I don't know if y'all can tell really, but I mean, we're mulching on a hill. Pretty steep little booger. It's kind of hard to get the camera to focus, but if you can see, there's the ground back there. So pretty steep. Trying to clean up along here. We're almost done. Aaron's doing a phenomenal job. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Kind of shoving this off to the side. My mulcher can mulch that stuff laying down a little bit better, so I'm gonna mulch that up. He's throwing it over there for me. I'll run up there and mulch it up. There we go. Real quick. There we go. I'm not kidding when I really say we are pretty well. I am almost at a pretty well 45-degree angle. I'm on a dang freaking log and it's causing me to spin a little bit. Kind of see where we've been going up here. We'll video him a little bit. Be careful to throw it over. He's bringing some of this brush over here and piling it over here for me so I can mulch it. It's kind of harder for him to mulch that stuff that's laying down, but I can get it pretty good. You better be careful. He's getting a little close there, a little sketchy. Sketchy, sketchy. Give me a little bit of protection. It's kind of close to him, so he is shooting. seeing the logs, I know it's loud. About got a load on here. Pulled them from the bank over here. Trying to clean this up so they can ditch it. Trying to get as much video as we can here, but I know it's loud in this old tractor. So y'all can hear me. We got my new bush hog over there. They brought it, unloaded it. We're excited, ready to go. Got a lot more work coming today. It's gonna be another full day. We got them pulled off the side. We cleaned all up down through here, trees. Pulling these off the side so we can slope the bank back, create a ditch. Gonna drop these stumps off over here. Out of sight and out of mind. There we go. Right where I wanted it. Bowling. Pop, it stopped. Got old Steve Phillips, the old AKA Pawpaw behind the chainsaw. Been working these jobs. He's a chainsawing fool. He's a machine. You get after him. 66 years old, and that man still acts like he's 30. Look at that H-brand land management shirt on. He's looking good, and a hat. Got him decked out. He's one of my top hands. We are loaded up. Got a full load of logs in the old 2-ton here. The old 5500. We are gonna be headed to Hatfield with this. We're getting about $38 a ton at the moment. Sorry for that. Oh, my bad. Get this all set how I like it. So, gotta stop and get some diesel on the way back. And make sure I got my key with me. It's in here somewhere. Oh my. That ain't good. Let me find it. About bad about losing stuff. There it is. Get some fuel. So yeah, we're gonna head to be about a 2-hour round trip is what it's gonna be. So get the old seatbelt on. Better go make sure and put a flag in that end of that real quick. Got her all flagged down, ready to roll. She's loaded. My guess is about 11-12 tons. We'll see what it is at the mill. We are pulling up. Gonna get on the scales here. About an hour is what it took us. Drove about 50. We got her loaded pretty good. So we just took her nice and easy. Hit this little green light. When I get on it, get set, be ready to go. Getting up here. We're going to get some diesel. We're about empty. My truck is in the shop. Either injector out or flywheel broke. We don't know yet for sure. But hopefully we can find something on that today. We'll go up here in the office, get our ticket and everything, tell them who it's for. We'll go back here and dump it. We're here. Got laid in and everything, and they're getting us unloaded. They got him a big old wad there. And get us unloaded, and we'll get on our way back to the next one. We'll get us another load and get back. Well, we just got the truck filled up. We got the 55-gallon tank. So if y'all do think about getting into business, this is what it cost. $150 for that. That'll fill the skid steer up completely. And then $145, $50 for 35 gallons. Fuel's outrageous right now, as most everybody knows. So running a business, that's why we have to charge extra more than what we did a couple years ago. But you know, it is what it is, and you got to do what you got to do. So future references, in case you're wanting to know about starting a business too, a lot of expense. Headed back to the job site. Just got back. We got the skid steer filled up. Boy, she was hurting for some fuel. She's down there in the red. I have ran it out one time. It was not fun trying to get this thing started again, so We're ready to go now. Got all the logs cut. We're gonna go up here and do some cleaning first. We're gonna have to, I reckon. They said there's some stuff that needs to be messed with down here, cleaned up. They've got it all cut, so we're gonna take off up through here, see what they got. I reckon get this thing cleaned back. We got some stumps and some other stuff. We're gonna take these up the top, see what we can do with them.
Well, about almost 5 o'clock. Got a lot done. Soaking this back. Intervening with the excavator for him. Looking good.
Well, it has been a long day. It's currently 5:54. And we are headed out. Got the last load we'll take in the morning. First thing. Give out. It's been a long day. We got a lot to do tomorrow. Sorry about that. We got a lot to do tomorrow, cleanup wise. It shouldn't take too long, but just got a lot of cleaning up left to tidy up. So that'll be all for today.